Hi guys, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of not updating on Magic Tiles 3. To know how to fix or how to solve not updating on Magic Tiles 3 app, you should just go to settings. After that, you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this list, you'll enter to the window or to the app of Magic Tiles 3. After that, you can click on first stop and you will click OK. Then you will click on storage. Here you can go to clear cache, but pay attention, don't click clear data because that can cause you errors or can delete your account. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention.